Asem yidiko, asem yidika.
Inna beka.
Akwesi insia.
Commander 6.
Kano seni etie.
Dabia ka cho se be kan se de simi etie ye mfa bi nka na yimi so emfa mfrimu. Ye mfa ni ye tranton enkasa mpani ho. Ye do boni de be kan ya sem pepepepe. Me de akwesi insia asemi de kabre na address ye fa na sekese koma Kingdom Herbal Center. Kingdom Herbal Center ora amofa ena adwumefo ye ma mo ni adwuma pa ya mo yes mo my Ghana sanyam wo se ka Ghana mema ki atoba ha kema gu ye ni mu ase ade ba ko ye mfa ye me de wo Kingdom fo no ye New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules everyday nyame misro ye be men ko gu wan mu ase da bia meka masaka te sempacho enye aphrodisiac fa tutrim enye duru anom ya na da bi eno yare nko na ema wo we ye duru a niama be ma untimi nya adwuma ye wompam ye se yade aba osisim eti New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules no ebesa sa yade no se na be ya enko basa da bia be kwa koye bia so sa akonom ne wo yi yare firi wa no ye be mam be ma fanya agudie fanko hefia bayifo ne friwa what the New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules na fe New Kingdom Ginseng dem di wachia Sarah Kingdom Garlic ni sunie be dem am catch some store that say cholesterol eno kwa na edro betimi aboa ama cholesterol na ba normal okona doctor nkwanya jutum se o cholesterol edro betimi aboa ye pa eye Kingdom Garlic Capsules and asa ne bitters eno ani o mama bi eton do bi akwansa be ka bi ato wo pa dudoma 2 akoton na nya so mfaso emfre 0275 804064 0275 804064 and 0302 938 153 0302 938 153 Kingdom or no challenger. Alapem no di nkomo bi e de afa enura ese na otwim na krata epie over the weekend. Se empen for the krata bi epie abonte sa abawe bi koye oye kire ma okasa ye ma no kotra the Minister for Health Owura Kwabena Minta Akando. Na before be kwa krata mi hwe sa video yi. Na ti abawe ne nsem na oka e de kire the Minister for Health abra aban entwe omoka over abosmidu. Hwe sa video yi.
What was what school no drama? Honorable Mitakai, Kwabena Minta Akando. Me still to what school no drama ken. Obet my movie. Ya dey not collaborate le we ni ajakoa. Obema a very masterpiece. Just say e be blow baby ah. Oh the original how your aunties be o. I say wosu. As why am what was a politician. Wanya sa obeda hu say le wura. Oba time ye nche o ka kan ko fie. Ka ko fie.
Krata ya Ghana Health Service mpeni.
The abane semne eno achi na Ghana Health Service depend for the krata eba abonti tire krata koma abayo no to mo tire na ebi epie so krata ne say Miss Benis Abuaje staff nurse query letter Miss Benis Abuaje staff nurse employee number 14 this office that's Ghana Health Service has observed that you have been captured in videos circulating in social media using unprintable, inappropriate, and scandalous words on the Honorable Minister of Health. Following the circulation of these audios, this office has since received several calls from well-meaning Ghanaians registering their misgivings and reservations about the content of the videos. We also have information that these videos are discussed on various social media platforms with people making all manner of disparaging comments about the service. Please find attached a copy of the videos and a reference for your review, perusal, and necessary action. Based on the above, can you explain why disciplinary action should not be instituted against you? For one, use of unacceptable and inappropriate words resulting in a rude behavior towards the Honorable Minister of Health, contrary to Section 8, 1C. Of the Code of Conduct and Disciplinary Conduct. I proceed this. Okay, so signed by Dr. Samuel Mensah, or a medical superintendent. Then the Minister of Health, and so at the Krata API, Minister, and so Krata, Yenhwe asma Dr. Kwabena Minta Kandon so eka wa hanom. So the Ministry of Health, we again Education Service. Yeah. With a hand. So Minister for Health requests amnesty for staff nurse. The Ministry of Health has taken notice of a query letter issued to Miss Bernice Abuaji, a staff nurse, which has been circulating on social media regarding certain unprofessional comment allegedly made against the Minister of Health, Honorable Kwabena Minta Akando. The minister comments that Ghana Health Service promptly upholding the tenet of professionalism and the code of conduct prescribed for health workers. However, Honorable Akando has appealed to the service to temper justice with mercy in addressing the matter. According to him, both he and the government welcome divergent views and constructive criticism as part of his commitment to fostering tolerance and openness to diverse opinions. The minister further urged all health workers to express their opinions responsibly and respectfully without resorting to insult, as this contributes to the health growth and development of the health sector. So signed by Tony Goodman, health training institutions and the spokesperson for the Ministry of Health. Ghana Health Service for the Kratan Babonte say aban ba cheche die tie kwa sempenfo atwena so se wakasa na kwakotia aban so afo hwe oman apom de ensem so ena minister na kasa mu nso office de Kratan so Babonte say ogitum zampa Ghana's for eyo maduma but obesro mother aban no na kasa mu gitum se Ghana ni bia wo how bia Unpaud out nebom enye oboni die ekwan so na omomba bibia anye adwebrɛw. So the point say, as the minister was saying, say wish the Ghana Health Service ever temper justice with mercy. But you see, a croma is so maybe so I'm gonna say be a time. And Meka say the first day they say Meka say yes, Abayan maybe yes, some of these be a trash here. There's no two ways about that. Sabi croma yatiti amna kwa say only penny nya Asem said dear wakwada be difo. And your penny in age, but penny in the office, Honorable Kwabena Minta Akando is occupying. Sani atete from day one. Eti na Ghana phone kwada bebre. Aye timid. To ni penny nya asem a say there wa kwada obedi for. Sani dey ato etrim. Ye nya yan CS sano. Ghana Health, but mam Ghana Health for krata ni biem. Penny no tre krata no. I wish he comes back again and tell us the code of conduct of Ghana Health Service. Yeah, say. Obi ye adwuma abosumi du ami entwa neka. Mam Ghana Health Service for kratan. O me kire say Ghana Health Service for no. Obu code of conduct be na kire say uni obi ye adwuma abosumi du a me entwa neka. And it is sad we akoso na no me enti akoso. Akoso because adwuma ni Ghana. Enoko ankwankwa adwuma amanfo ye ntwi omuka ebebro afe baako. Uko kan yesi adwuma ni ho etu ugye na akwakwa eti sa hu ntebi da so te bia omote and meka say amanfo a edi abaya na tem no go through na me mpa bo se manyankopon ma unko sade bi mu da enya ne papa me ma go through pain. I'm telling you, ma go through this situation before. Or no 10 months me adwuma 1.5 years ma ketwa mai me wo yire me wo mamiensa me hide dying. The day, for want of better word, the day you me confronting me jumewura was a day me achime battle was with them 100 cities after a drama me ba. My year juma 1 year 6 months ni entwa meka. It yes man say bi muka na abayo no kwa ni entwa neka 10 months. Hey, obi situation different. Obi situation different. Ebi o twenani a ento obi anim. Ebi the only source of income wa abrabo mu e na busumi aketwea. Eti a delay 1 second. Eseniema. Ghana mpenifo yama sadwe ababeka. Na mo the sadwe sisi Ghana adehye because oko kai ebi ni atre kata koma akwadai. But I was expecting the medical superintendent to write letter to government, Minister of Health, citing the code of conduct say when you be here adwuma na busumi du na untwa ne ka also tem de ntia Minister for Finance yam permanent for free abiote. I was expecting that Dr. Samuel Mensah. I was expecting you. So better cut akroya say citing of your court. The Minister of Health should be sacked. The Minister of Finance should be sacked because according to your code of conduct, so no be a job Busumi do that won't share the car. One self at so much be another. But Ghanaians have become so vulnerable. Yayamabo. Ye ni kama for on se ba enya pani ma na tire kata e bi sa kwa se on chemu die ti kwase atwe na so ba pani ni ti tire kata e mi sa the Minister of Health, the Minister of Finance did you say power from office akoda ye adwuma bosumi du. Have we asked ourselves a kwamro of us oba adwuma, a queen of us who share the bills, a queen of us who save your barbesia or top pad to save her shame? Have we asked ourselves these questions? But we are quick to sit in our air-conditioned office. We are quick. And you're easy. Because as medical superintendent, maybe so yeah, there's no way so so after receiving all the luxuries, as compared to the peanut we are giving to this nurse, yeah, I come 10 months. No. You sit in your office, you have no shame. With all due respect. Instead of you to fight for nurse, Nina, you are there. Supporting the political class to murder these young girls. All because you want to protect your office. Opening. It is no issue because yebi. Open obi yeduma fishia miensa ni entua ne ka wo kan be ka to so ontimi a cha yeduma no because adwuma ni o man ni mu to kan be ka nyina se jadwuma na ma me so de amte adwe na ba betre fie wo re ni kakra nyame ya adum a o metua na akwa de ahomete na otemu saa besima ye adwuma afi ba akwa bosumi nsia ya na entua meka the day yeah, me so many munisuo was some bad hospital pay 100 Ghana cedis ato adrodi amano na menya kwhwini o nurse no onye kwhwini o frustration atete unkomu de to unti ase you have no experience etolu sabi unsem no amanyo sem no ebeba ho unti ase but my prayer say nyankopon timunti unkobi mu da what about Abdrew? So one say ya, so now go through your gay ekuma, a peer quantum Abdrew. And then you can't want Tiasia. And the two of Memonia farm for Juma. No more ye Juma, not coming sure like a cratanka, yet you make us a biano, that you want your crown so any. But we are talking about to be away demonstration. And you see, upon its own demonstration, the last resort of an employee. So do penso kodru yena, pe no one take office or no can and minister no. A demonstration say. Yeni kuma na manya form tisi abonte koye kum nana do maye kum do mama maye. Wan ya che no. And the Ghana says for say your code of conduct. For 10 months, where was the code of conduct? That says a Ghana ni na yafre adwuma say nurse ni no, bosumi bia so be tuaneka. Where was it? Because onye MP, onye minister, na meti say minister for labor, yes abosumi nkru, president mama ministers ye nchi omuka, and we think say funny. Ni abegina beka to say we should fight corruption. 9 months minister ye nchi aneka, we think funny. Do you ask yourself how they survive? Have you asked yourself? Have you asked yourself, as was still party for the attack for Comuswa, how do they get this money? Some captains say corruption fights and they say because I think for so be so. Yes, Shani, ye Ghana for yes, show my comfort. Your mouth to me say for some my Ghana for 2 minutes month for to the best of your ability. And now for be abosumi do nine unchianeka and you expect the person say omre du ma pepepe. Hey, Ghana ne besie because Ghana for you too timid. Ghana for also because of entitia ye free tete. For the second say come Kingdom Herbal Center. Ebi ameka to say do the obanu manu one Kingdom for nipa ni bi. Or the Kingdom garlic bitters, Kingdom garlic capsules na aba. Unye bi na no ebo ye pa. Obi oto Kingdom no bi edu wada nsese 122nd 2020 da. New Kingdom ginseng power capsules be mam sere wada wa ye mre won pam da bridwo wo ye ho hwe nye ye precise era gram. Unye New Kingdom ginseng power capsules. Oma be bi ato do bi am sere kwa so pe Kingdom enupa ni bi. Drugstore anasa pharmacy abekọ mo ntom ne drugstore papa. Fresh 0275 804 064. Mon mu am kotobi fre ne ye tobi etubi egu store de ton ye topa 0275 804 064 and 0302 938 153 0302 938 153 Kingdom osi no challenge. Amini akwesi insi asem ni kanie ye de pense mu eto aso akra.